This is eShopSpyGear007.com, and today we're going to talk about long life Wi-Fi spy camera smoke detector with battery. So here we have it, the box. Firstly, we see what do we have inside the box. This is the charging wire, the user manual, some screws, and a thing to stick the smoke detector to the ceiling. So the smoke detector with the camera looks like this. Here's the charging junction. We open the lid like this. Then we open this lid like this. We have the batteries. We have the slot for micro SD card, and we turn it on and off here, and also the reset button. So this camera works with Wi-Fi. So you can connect to it with your application by internet and watch the video in real time. Also, it can activate from the motion. So if somebody is moving in the room, it can activate and record video, and also can give you notifications in your app that somebody is moving in the area. It also has night vision, and it has extremely long standby time. It can work up to 12 months, and it depends on how much do you use it, how much it is recording video, and how much you connect to it to watch the video online. So the more you watch, the more you use it, the less time it will work from the batteries. So that is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. Also, it doesn't work like a smoke detector. It's a dummy smoke detector. It's just a camera. Thank you for watching. You can find the link of this camera where you can buy it in the description of the video. It was eShopSpyGear007.com, and I'll see you next time.